Chef Mike Sheerin, the executive chef of Divan restaurant, 868 North Franklin, here in Chicago, Illinois. So we're cooking up this fine steak from Allen Brothers Meats, a little New York strip, just a little kosher salt and cracked black pepper on it for you. We're just gonna let this hang out. So salsa verde, chilies, pickled ramp, and our fresh herbs. A little chiffonade into a nice little brunoise. Some Malden salt, cracked black pepper in there just because I like it spicy. So we're looking pretty beautiful right there. Nice. An oldie but goodie. Some mustard and avocado salt, a little scotch of water in there. Now we have this beautiful puree. Sugar snap peas, small bias cut on them. Always keep the station clean. That's what I was taught in school. All those French guys yelling at me over the years. So now we're just gonna go to the grill and we're gonna grill this beautiful piece of meat. I mean, this is a great cut of meat. You can do as much with it as you want or as little as possible. You just put olive oil, salt, pepper on there, and it's gonna taste great. Ready to plate. They don't call me Mike Sheerin for nothing. We have this beautiful meat, so let's just take a little snacky stew for ourselves. A little salt, just that little juice, and right over the top. And there you have it. Beautiful New York strip from Allen Brothers with avocado mustard puree, sugar snap peas, and pickled ramp salsa verde. Let's give her a taste. Wow, that's pretty fantastic. That meat, delicious. I gotta wear an apron when I eat because this area is prone to get hit.